Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to use camera filters on WhatsApp. Let's have a look. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone and make sure your WhatsApp up to date. From chats, tap camera icon on top right. This will open up camera to record videos or capture photos. To use filters on WhatsApp camera, tap filters button beside shutter button. Now you can choose filters. You can use warm, cool, then black and white, light leak, dreamy, then prism light, flash eye, vintage TV, frosted glass, and dew tone. Choose one of them to capture photos or videos. From top, you can use low light mode, then turn on touch up mode. To capture photo, tap once on shutter button, or to record video, tap and hold on shutter button, and this will start recording your video with filters. Tap tick sign and you can share this video on WhatsApp or any contacts. So these are the steps to use camera filters on WhatsApp. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.